For our second example, we will use a horizontal tree diagram. Count all the possible outcomes if letters A and B would be paired to even digits. So when we say even digits, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. This time, we'll be using magnetic letters and numbers to represent A, B, and all the even digits. Now let's see. First is getting A and B. So therefore this will be our first outcome. Next, we try to pair both A and B to all the even digits. Again, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, we'll do the same with B. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. As you can see, this A is paired with the even digits. Also, this B is paired with all the even digits. The next step is that we try to write the outcomes systematically. For the first outcome, we could have A and 0. Second one, A and 2. The third one, A and 4. Fourth one, A and 6. Next would be A and 8. So we have 5 outcomes for letter A paired with even digits alone. Similarly, we'll do the same step here with letter B. Again, pairing letters to all the even digits. How many outcomes are possible? We have 5 here and another 5 here. So definitely, we have 10 possible outcomes if we pair letters A and B to all the even digits. And that's it. I hope you have learned to accurately count and list the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment using horizontal and vertical diagram. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.